Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today is actually going to be again an acrylic painting, and mainly I've used fan brush. So let me explain how you can actually use, or if you don't have, what are the other options. So I'll explain everything. Just before that, before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people. Welcome again. So like I was saying, it's an acrylic painting. You can use flat brush, or my best bet is, if you don't have fan brush, filbert brush. Filbert brush will give you that, because it's rounded corners, it will give you that foliage shape. If not, you can actually use foliage brush, but these are the trees where the branches are spread out and then they are little bit curved downwards. So when you use fan brush, you have two options: either you press it downwards or press it upwards, push it up or push it down. So if you don't, because in this case actually I didn't use too much of pressure, but I've just tap. I've taken pure paint and then I've just tapped on the surface. As you can see, that's what I've done. So if you are using flat brush, use it flat side, but the main thing is you want to get that texture. You don't want to take, because these are bright bristles, very hard. But depending on your flat brush, again, what might happen is, if it is not too hard, you might just put a dollop of paint on the paper itself. So that, try it out on some different area and then come back here. Don't take too much of paint, and then tap on your palette and then come back and try to paint it. Same thing goes with filbert brush as well. Try it on some other place and then come back and do it. So those are the things. And then the background, the fog is actually the layered. Again, I did not use straight away the mixed color, so I've layered it with white. So very thin light brush, more water, and then brushed it on top of the previous painting. And then, as you can see, layer by layer I've applied some of. Once I put leaves, then after that what I did is, some of the tree trunks will be in front, so I went ahead and again painted those ones. So you have to think practically that how actual photo is going to look like, and then depending on that, it's not much difficult. But the main thing is the color, the effect, the distance, the perspective. These are the main things that you need to remember. Try it out and see if you can also share anything on my Facebook as well. So send, or you can just comment below and let me know how it goes. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.